NLS BARD Mobile How-To Series. How to search BARD.
Hi, I'm Judy Dixon, and I work in the Patron Engagement Section at NLS. In this edition of the BARD Mobile How-To Series, I am going to cover searching BARD. From the Get Books tab in BARD Mobile, select Search. Using the search interface, you can search the BARD collection by keyword, title, author, or annotation. Choose one of those options from the Search By buttons, and then choose Braille or Audio from the Format buttons. Enter your desired search term in the search field and double-tap the Go button. Available titles within your search parameters will display in a list. In this example, I am going to search for Braille books that have the word dog in the title. From the search screen, select Search by Title, Braille Format, and then type the word dog in the search field. Double-tap the Go button. A list of titles will display that contain the word dog in the title. From here, you can sort the results by title, author, or latest publication date. Refine your search by adding more search terms or download a title directly. In this example, I'm looking for the book A Dog Called Homeless by Sarah Lean. After searching Braille books with the word dog in the title, I will further refine the search results by adding the word homeless to the search box and double-tapping the Go button. The book I am looking for will be listed. Double-tap the Download button to download the book. Use the Search Back button to set new parameters for a new search. For more information about reading and navigating books, see the other tutorials in this series.